Alright, this is how the alarm it works on a Sunrider. See the instruction right there? Warm up for 5 minutes. It's green color. Just warm up. And then after 5 minutes, this is the sound sirens for the gas, propane. Pollution is this the one, the alarm for the anything with this pollution. When you see, it goes like that. When it's already warm up, you just put 1, 2, 3, and 4 instruction. That's the setting. Just turn on like that, and then when it detect a propane leak, it goes the alarm. So on, off, right there. So simple it is. All right, that's how bright with the LED bathroom LED too. Very clean LED. That's the light when you're cooking. There's a exhaust vent right there. Off. That's for the spice bin for your toothbrush, toothpaste right there. Yes, incoming right there. LED socket. Now it's charging right now. I'm charging the battery, full charge.